Hari Om. This is the Achyutashtakam, just like the Govindashtakam and the Krishnashtakam. It's a very beautiful one. And when we sing this Achyutashtakam, we feel the ecstasy in our minds. It goes like this. Achyutam Kesavam Ramanarayanam Krishnadamodaram Vasudevam Harim Sridharam Madhavam Gopika Vallabham Janaki Nayakam Ramachandram Bhaje Achyutam Kesavam Satyabhama Madhavam Madhavam Sridharam Radhikaradhitam Indiramandiram Chetasa Sundaram Devaki Nandanam Nandajam Sandadhe Vishnave Jishnave Sankhine Chakrine Rukmini Ragine Janaki Janaye Vallavi Vallabhayarchitayatmane Kamsavidvamsine Vamsine Te Namaha Krishna Govinda He Ramanarayana Sripate Vasudevajita Srinidhe Achyutananda He Madhava Dokshaja Dwarakanayaka Draupadi Rakshaka Rakshasakshobhitaha Sitaya Sobhito Dandakaranyabho Punyatakaranaha Lakshmanenanvito Vanarai Sevito Gastya Sampujito Raghavah Patuma Denukarishtaka Nishtakrudveshiha Kesiha Kamsahrodvamsika Vadakaha Putana Kopakaha Suraja Khelana Balagopalakaha Patumam Sarvada Vadyududyotava Praspruradvasanam Pravrudham Bodhavrat Prolasadvigraham Vanyayamalaya Sobhitorasthalam Lohitangridvayam Varijaksham Bhaje Kunchitai Kuntalai Bhrajamananam Ratnamaulim Lasat Kundalam Gandayo Harakeyurakam Kankana Projwalam Kinkini Manjulam Shyamalam Tam Bhaje Achyutashtakam Yah Pate Deshtadam Premata Pratyaham Purusha Spruham Vruttata Sundaram Kartra Visvambhara Stasya Vasyo Harir Jayate Satvaram.